Hello and welcome to Circle Time. Since it's spring break for many of you and older siblings might be home, I'm going to keep our Circle Time a little bit shorter this week. Instead of doing Circle Time, including calendar and weather time, we'll just go right to the letter of the day. And today's letter is G. G is for galaxy. Do you have a G in your name? If your name has letter G, stand up. If your name has letter G, stand up. If your name has letter G, if your name has letter G, if your name has letter G, stand up. Yay! Well, a galaxy is made up of many stars and also planets. Our Earth, our own planet Earth, is part of the Milky Way galaxy. So to decorate our G today, I just put some yellow stars that I drew, and then I colored it black. You can see the stars in the sky at night when it's dark. You could use star stickers if you have those instead of drawing some. So this is the letter G, and that's an idea for you to decorate your G. Now, if you want to write letter G and practice that, you can just make a letter C. And then continue going up to the middle and make a line that goes in. So around and in. That's how you make a big letter G. Let me show you what that looks like on handwriting paper. So you're just going to make a curve around, just like letter C. But when you get to the middle, you're going to make a line that goes in. Around and in. Around and in. Around and in. Okay, let's practice the little letter G. Little G looks like this: a ball and a kitty cat's tail. A ball, and that looks like a kitty cat's tail. Let's practice. Put the ball downstairs and the kitty cat's tail all the way down into the basement. A ball and a cat's tail. A ball and a kitty cat's tail. One more. This is the little lowercase letter G. Well, I would love to cheer for you. I know you are doing a great job listening and learning and practicing, and you can practice later today if you'd like. Yay! Good work. Here is a sticker for your handwriting paper. Well, now that we know what letter G looks like, we know how to write it, it's time to talk about the sound that G makes. Letter G makes the sound G, G, G. You have to kind of use your throat to make that sound. G, G, G. It reminds me of what I sound like when I'm gulping some water. I have some fun cups to help us practice. Letter G says G, 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 G. All right, let's try this next cup. Oh, this has puppy dogs. What does G say? G, 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 G. Ooh, Batman. What does letter G say? G, 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 G. And let's see what this one is. It's a kitty cat, a Lego kitty. G, 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 G. Well, maybe you have some fun cups that you could use today to practice the letter G sound. Well, today G is for galaxy. Let me show you a picture of the Milky Way galaxy. How beautiful! A galaxy is a huge bunch of stars clustered together in space. Our solar system, which includes the Sun, Earth, and 7 other planets, is part of this galaxy. This galaxy is called the Milky Way. Well, we, for art today, are going to make a galaxy. Here's mine. So I just took some black paper, and I used white paint and an old toothbrush. I used my finger to sprinkle the toothbrush on the black paper, and I can show you how I did that. So here is an old toothbrush that I only use for painting and art, And I just took my fingers and I rubbed my fingers on the bristles, and it made those stars on the paper. If you don't have an old toothbrush, you could also get your kitchen scrubber, do the art project, and then toss it in the dishwasher, and the paint should come right off. Well, I hope that these gave you some ideas for your day. G is for galaxy. And I'll see you tomorrow for letter H. Goodbye. Sorry, I forgot our story. I'm going to jump back on for a moment because I do have a story to read to us. It's called Me and My Place in Space by Joan Sweeney. This is me on my place in space, the planet Earth. Tonight, I can see the moon from my place in space. The moon is a ball of rock that travels in a path around the Earth, just like the Earth travels in a path around the sun. The sun is a really fiery star, as big as 1,000,000 Earths. So bright and hot, it lights and heats our whole solar system. 8 different planets, including Earth, that travel around and around the sun. On Mercury, the planet closest to the sun, days are burning hot and nights are icy cold. The sun comes up in the west on Venus. Its gleaming cloud cover makes it the brightest planet of them all. My place in space, beautiful Earth, is the 3rd planet from the sun and the only one in our solar system where living things grow. Mars is next. Mars is rusty, dusty, and cold. Jupiter is a massive ball of gas bigger than all the other planets combined. Saturn's wide rings are made of ice particles, some as big as houses. On Uranus, it never gets warm, even though the sun shines 42 years in a row. Neptune looks like a blue twin of Uranus. Its great big dark spot is a giant cyclone, where winds blow at 700 miles an hour. But as big as our solar system is, it is only one tiny part of the Milky Way, an immense galaxy made up of hundreds of billions of stars, some with solar systems of their own. And the Milky Way is the only one of the many, many galaxies in the universe. So many you might run out of numbers to count them. And the universe is so gigantic you could travel for trillions of years and never get to the other side. Sometimes I wonder, way out in space, is there another galaxy like mine? Another solar system like mine? Another sun like mine? Another planet like Earth? Would another someone like me? Could be. The end. Well, we know for sure that God made the stars and planets and the solar systems and the galaxies and the universe. He made it all. And what a special, special place it is. Well, I hope that you will come back tomorrow. This time it's goodbye for real. I'll see you tomorrow.